In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link Shopify and Klaviyo. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage your store settings, theme, and connected tools. Make sure you are inside the correct Shopify store before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one account. Starting from the admin area is important because the connection we are enabling lives inside your store theme settings. Once you are in Shopify, go to Online Store and then select Themes. This section shows the theme that is currently live on your storefront, along with any other themes you may have installed. You will want to work with the live theme since that is the one customers are actively seeing when they visit your website. Next, click the Customize button next to your live theme. This opens the Shopify theme editor, where you can control visual settings, sections, and app-related features tied to your storefront experience. Give the editor a moment to fully load so that all menu options appear correctly. After that, look to the far left vertical sidebar and click the App Embeds icon. This area is where Shopify lets apps add storefront features without requiring manual code changes in many cases. If you are new to this screen, take your time and make sure you are selecting App Embeds and not another theme setting, since the icons can look similar at a glance. Inside App Embeds, find Klaviyo. In some stores, it may appear simply as Klaviyo, while in others, it may be listed as Klaviyo on-site. These labels refer to the embed you need for the integration on your storefront. When you find it, toggle the switch to ON. This enables the Klaviyo app embed for your live theme, which helps Shopify and Klaviyo work together properly on the front end of your store. Once the toggle is turned on, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. This final step is important because if you leave the editor without saving, your changes may not be applied. After saving, the connection settings should remain active for that live theme. If you want to confirm everything worked, you can reopen the App Embeds area and make sure the Klaviyo toggle still shows as enabled. That is a quick way to verify the setting was successfully saved. That covers everything you need to know.